Hi class! Welcome to week 7 of distance learning together. I'm still missing you like crazy. I love checking in with you in Google Classroom and seeing all of the smart work that you're doing though. Did you have a good long weekend since we didn't meet together yesterday on Monday? It was Memorial Day yesterday. Are you getting used to our new schedule? Remember, we do not have school on Fridays anymore. So you'll just be checking in to Google Classroom this week, today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Fridays, you will not have any Google Classroom work, and you can just log on to Prodigy, Zearn, Imagine Learning, or MobyMax all by yourself. I have an important announcement. Don't forget, make sure that your parents know to come to school on Thursday, May 28th from 1 to 5 p.m. I put a flyer in our Google Classroom and I emailed your families, but make sure they know that is the time when you need to come to school to pick up all of your things. The building will be closed, but I have already bagged up all of your important papers, your school supply box, your picture from your first day of second grade, your self-portrait, your lion report, your composition notebook, and anything else that belonged to you. So it's all in a bag labeled with your name. And the staff members, I will be there, other teachers, Principal Stell, the staff members will just be able to help you and your family get your materials and send you on your way. Please come to school on Thursday, May 28th so that you can get your things. All right, this week we're going to be jumping into a new phonics sound. Our new phonics sound is T-U-R-E, which says chur. What does it say? Your turn. Ready? Sound chur. Good job. Like in adventure. The next word we're going to look at is right here. The beginning of my word is cap. We're going to put it with chur. Let's read the whole word. Ready? Capture. Capture means to get something. The boys were outside and they tried to capture an ant before it got away. All right, our next sound spelling combination is T-I-O-N. It says shun. What sound? Good job, shun. Like in addition, addition. Now, capture and addition might be easy words for you to read, but knowing what sound these sound spelling combinations make will help you when you're decoding new words that maybe you've never read before. All right, let's look at another word that has the sound shun in it. Here's one. Ready? Creation. Ready? Word creation. Nice job. I was so happy to see all of your self-portrait creations in our classroom when I bagged up your materials. Creations. Good. You'll also see this one, I-O-N, like in our word onion this week. Okay, I want you to practice reading these sounds and words aloud on your lines of print page. Then you're going to do a picture match, your reading journal, and then dive into math. You're doing a really great job adding and subtracting large numbers with regrouping. Keep it up. This is really something that will help you grow your brain for 3rd grade. All right, friends, have a good day. I can't wait to see all of your assignments. I miss you.